Hi, I'm Paul, and this is Larissa.
And we are the co-directors of education at Discovery World. We are here to talk to you today about the Program for Inquiry and Science Instruction, or PISI.
PISI is a professional development program for teachers in the Milwaukee area who are teaching science. It's designed to help them improve the quality of what they are teaching and the confidence to deliver hands-on, inquiry-based science instruction in their classrooms.
To develop this program, we started with what we believe, that every child in Milwaukee County deserves quality science education. But with over 160,000 students in Milwaukee County alone, we know that we can't serve every student to the extent that we would like to.
We realize that the best way to impact science education in Milwaukee is to start with the teachers. We know that teachers who are teaching science are doing the best job that they can. We also know that teachers don't always have the background that they wish they had to teach that subject. You may know some of these teachers. You may be one of those teachers.
The PISI program is for any teacher who is looking to improve their practice and become more confident in their teaching. This could be a veteran teacher of 20 years, this could be a first-year teacher just out of college, or it could be a teacher who is asked to teach science for the first time in their career.
As educators, we understand that it can be difficult to participate in professional development. The PISI program takes place at Discovery World over 6 day-long sessions throughout the academic year.
To make it as easy as possible for teachers to participate in this program, Discovery World is able to give funding to the schools to cover the cost of substitute teachers needed during the program. Additionally, teachers are asked to participate with another teacher from their school. This can be a teacher at the same grade level or a different grade level who also wants to improve their practice. This helps provide additional support back at school in between each session.
Finally, Discovery World will offer a bin of supplies to every teacher who participates in this program. Each session, the teachers will receive what is necessary for he or she to deliver the lessons that they learned here at Discovery World back at school in their own classrooms.
Every day, a teacher can impact hundreds of lives, and whatever they do to improve themselves now will impact students year after year.
Teachers who are confident in science produce students who are confident in science. If we want to impact science education in Milwaukee, we need to support our teachers.